About to go pick up the bumper and the fender. Y'all think a big ass bumper and fender gonna fit up in here? Up in this old small Volkswagen? It don't look like it, but I bet you I make it work. Watch this. We're pulling up on over to the Ford. One of my buddies actually work here, and he's got me some really great deals on the parts that I need. And I'm really excited to show y'all the parts that I am getting, because this thing's about to look beast. Y'all can probably guess what I'm probably getting, but you guess right, you guess right. Either way it go, this car is about to look even better than before. Boom. That's that hatchback Volkswagen for you. We got some room in this bad boy now. We should probably be able to fit a whole bumper and fender up in here. We're gonna see though. I'm gonna make it work because I just drove 30 minutes here. Dang, here go the bumper, y'all. It is pretty big. It's actually bigger than what I thought.
That's what she said.
But I think
a lot bluer too.
It might be a lot bluer. It should be able to fit up in there. The thing is, the box for the fender is it flat? I'm thinking of throwing the fender in here first. All right, y'all. Here go the bumper right here. Here go the front bumper. That's all I'm gonna show y'all. That's all I'm gonna show y'all. You see that housing? Oh. You already know what's going down. You already know. We got that front bumper, we got the fender, we got the lower grill, fog lights in there. Considering that thing's 900 bucks, and it don't.
You know how it's shaped like that?
Like, it fits.
Hey, 2 hours later.
2 hours later. Hell yeah. All right, bet. The Warrior. Closer. Boom. Alright, y'all. We got it to fit. We got the bumper and a fender to fit up in this damn Volkswagen. This thing a beast. This thing is a beast. I take it everywhere. I'll take it I don't know. I thank my boy Charles for coming in clutch. Coming in clutch.
Hey, she's coming together.
Yes, sir. Boosted, what year's yours?
15. Boosted
15. I'll throw a picture right up here for y'all. Clean looking, clean Boosted 15. We'll catch him in some action this summer though, for sure. All right, thank you, Mr. Charles. I appreciate it. Catch you out here soon. So, like I said, might need a few other small parts, maybe some axle stuff if that's going wrong. We're gonna get to that pretty soon. I'm about to get out of here. Got a 30-minute drive back home. It's cold as hell outside. Now we got it back in the garage, and today we are gonna find out. We're gonna look under the diff and try to find out what's going on with the squeaking noise. See if the diff is really bad from leaking from that seal, the housing or whatnot. All right, guys, we got both of the wheels off on both sides. Now, eventually, I'm gonna turn the car on and get the rotor. Just drive it a minute, drive it in the air, and see if we can figure out a noise that I hear. From so far on this side, as you can see, we got the bent lower control arm right here. Under it, as you can see right there, it is bent like in the last video, but we got more lower control arms coming in. Now we get under here towards the diff, you can definitely see that this thing is wet, and we got like almost a drip right there. As I get under here, guys, I'm trying to diagnose where this leak is possibly coming from. I think it might be this housing seal. I'm hoping that is that, because this thing is not that expensive. All you gotta do is take off these bolts by 13 mil, let the rest of the fluid just drop out, and then put some better silicone or some type of sealant so that it will stop the leak. But as we go up here, it's going slightly up to our upper control arm, which is that black piece. Yeah, we got up here to the upper control arm. It's basically above the tip of the drive shaft focus. I also don't know what that is up there, to be honest with you guys. I'm not sure why is it looking like a little bit wet, like there's oil around it, but the drive shaft. And I'm wondering if this leak could possibly, you see how it's leaking right here, if it could possibly come in from right there. I'm not sure. I mean, it looks like it's sealed, but most of the fluid or whatever this is typically right here, and it would make sense if it's coming from right here. I'm not sure. Alright guys, I'm just gonna take some brake part cleaner and get all this grease and fluid from out of here and try to diagnose where it's coming from after I wipe it up. You can see it was chilling right there from that impact. It just shifted right on over. So definitely we got some movement up in this rear end back here. Now let's check this other side by where I hit the impact on the left side. And yet again, yeah, there's a little bit of movement as we can see where it was chilling previously. Not too much on this side, but this is the side that was impacted. You guys see how much of an angle my shock is on with this bracket? That's like right here. That bracket right there, it's on such of an angle, it looks very out of form and odd. I'm gonna have to go over to one of my other buddies' Mustangs and just check and see if the shock, this bracket is supposed to be angled like this. I'm not sure if you guys can see as well how angled it is. Let me zoom out. But this thing is pretty much angled, like it does not look right. So I'm gonna probably check on my boy Omar's Mustang and see underneath and see if his is angled the same way. But we definitely find a little bit more things here. So we threw the wheels back on, we threw everything back on the car. As far as what I just seen and what I explained to you guys, I think I'm gonna probably take it to Tdurrgt Performance over in Des Plaines. If you guys are familiar with him in the Chicago area, they have to take it to him, let him diagnose it, and let him deal with everything else that is under here, get everything upgraded within that, and we'll be ready to rock and roll with some better suspension parts and just a slightly bent suspension back here. But he'll definitely be able to tell everything that's wrong and be able to fix it. So I'd rather put it in his hands than in the mines or someone else's. I already dealt with that with the transmission and the clutch. So definitely taking it to Mustang guys, someone who knows what they're doing. It is a blissful day out here, y'all, and we got the parts. Like I said, we picked up the parts. Now we about to go take them to the paint shop and get these parts painted. I don't know if I should tell y'all the part that I got, but I mean, y'all probably would already know. I'm gonna just let y'all guess and then probably tell y'all in the next video. After all that stuff is situated, we're gonna be good to go with the body work and all that stuff. But yeah, man, it is a nice day out here. I am surprised, man. The sun is beaming, but it's 20 degrees. It's cold as hell outside. 20 degrees, sun beaming. But hey, as long as the sun out, guns out, we all Gucci, man. Let's have a good day. Let's get onto this shop and get these parts painted. And yeah, I'm gonna meet y'all there. All right, so we're about to start up the car, and we about to drive it on over to the paint shop. The cold start. Damn, I need gas. Y'all can definitely hear it squeaking now. I think y'all can hear that for sure. Brake. See it goes away. That's squeaking. I know my axle is bent simply because it's squeaking like that, and plus my wheel is wobbling. I did not get, when I got the new wheels, I did not get them balanced. So I was thinking that it was probably because I did not get my wheels balanced. However, though, the front wheel is not even wobbling at all. The back wheel is wobbling like crazy. It's making a squeaking sound. Sometimes when I brake and turn slight or different ways, this noise gets louder or it goes away. So I know for sure that my axle is broken, and we gonna have to hold up.
Yo.
Yeah.
That's terrible, bro. That's gotta be fucking up your rim.
My rim? No, it's not. The wheel's just wobbling. I would say it is pretty okay for me to drive just for places that I need to go to get the car fixed. On the axle that is bent, it's not completely broken simply because the wheel is still spinning. So yeah, I'm doing good right now. Driving, the car is driving fine. 30 minutes, cruising at what, like 50 miles an hour on this bent axle. I can see my wheel just like wobbling like crazy. I don't know if y'all can probably see. There's probably a lot of wind that was going on right there, but you could probably see that wheel wobbling like crazy. You guys can see that, I think, if I'm holding the camera right. But yeah, I don't know if you were able to see that or not, but yeah, the wheel's wobbling. There you go, you can see it. I was gonna put it in the air. I don't know if I showed it already, but I didn't put it in the air and drive the car first. So I made it on over here to a car wash. As y'all can see, look at this damn car. I got salt all over. I'm about to take it to the body shop. There's other body shop that I'm going to because I then basically drove to Chicago yesterday, waited on the guy. Well, basically he was waiting on me. The GPS sent me off 7 minutes. So he was waiting on me, but then he ended up leaving, didn't tell me. I'm in Chicago waiting for him. He ain't answering his phone. Then he tell me that he left. And I had to go to work and everything. So I'm going to another shop today. And after driving yesterday, I gotta get all this salt and stuff off the frame, off the car. That's what we're about to do today. We're about to wash the car, get the car clean, then we're about to take it to the shop. Then I'm about to get everything painted. Because this thing is horrible. And I cannot keep looking at this thing like this. We got all this salt out, now we shining, we glistening. I can't wait to get this thing back in action, y'all. We got the boy Angel out here. What's up, Mr. Angel? With his, what year is this?
2018.
2018 Honda SI. This is the slowest car in the group. He's trying to try the car, but he ain't trying shit.
You don't got towels, so I don't need talking.
I don't need this. We're getting all the parts out now. Got the fender, already got the bumper out. And we're getting it to the shop right now, guys, and we're gonna get all these things taken care of. I believe the bumper, fender, and a whole bunch of other stuff fit up in this old small Volkswagen. It's the beast right here. Get a few things out of here. Got all the parts situated. Got in the shop. They might get it done. They basically gonna get it done in a few days. We over here in a Villa Park. We got the bro Zach helping me out. I drove my car, he drove the Volkswagen, so thank you, sir. Yeah, I mean, man, we about to be coming back strong, man. I hope the paint turns out really good. It's most likely gonna turn out good because this place got 5 stars up and down, like 100+ reviews, and one of my buddies actually recommended me to them. So once I get the product finished, once they get the product finished and I see how it is, then I'll let y'all know if y'all should stop by over here in North Avenue, basically by Stratz. So y'all know what Stratz is, so it's right next door. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip.